Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. I'm so happy you're here with us today. And if this is your first time watching, welcome, welcome, welcome. We're excited to have you here. Before we start, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends, your family, your classmates, your neighbors, even your goldfish if it enjoys learning English.
Yes, please teach your goldfish English. That would be amazing. But seriously, guys, thank you so much for your support. Your likes, your comments, and your shares help our channel grow. And we want to remind you that this channel is all about learning English through real, natural, simple conversations. Conversations you can actually use in daily life. No stress, no complicated grammar, just fun and learning together.
Exactly. And today we have a very special and interesting topic, your country. We're going to talk about where we come from, what our countries are like, what we love about them, and some funny stories too.
Yes, talking about your country is an important English skill. People will always ask you, where are you from? Or what is your country like? So today we'll help you with that. And we'll also share some fun stories. Because why not? Life is better with laughter.
That's true. So, Laura, let me start by asking you, where are you from?
I'm from a beautiful country, full of sunshine, delicious food, and friendly people. I won't say the name yet. Let's see if people can guess from the description. What about you, John?
I'm from a country where the weather is confused. One day it's sunny, the next day it's raining, and sometimes it does both at the same time.
That sounds like a very confused country indeed.
Trust me, the weather has mood swings, but I still love it. The landscapes are beautiful, the people are kind, and we have great music too.
Nice. So, John, tell us more about your country. What do you like the most about it?
I think my favorite thing is the nature. We have forests, mountains, lakes, and beaches. You can wake up in the morning and decide to go hiking, swimming, or just walking in a quiet park. It's peaceful.
That sounds amazing. I love nature too. In my country, we also have beautiful places. Beaches with golden sand, colorful markets, and old historical streets that tell stories from a long, long time ago.
I love that. Historical places always make me feel like I'm walking inside a storybook.
Same here. And the food? Ugh, don't get me started on the food in my country.
Here we go. I know you're going to talk about food for the next 5 hours.
Maybe, but seriously, the food in my country is amazing. It's full of spices, colors, and strong flavors. When you walk down the street, you can smell delicious food everywhere.
Now I'm hungry.
You're always hungry, John.
That's true. But tell me, what food from your country do you miss the most?
I think I miss homemade dishes, the ones my family makes. They always taste better because they're made with love.
Oh, that's sweet. My country also has great traditional dishes. Some are very simple, like soups or breads, but they taste amazing.
I want to try them. Maybe one day you can cook something for me.
I can try, but I'm not the best cook.
That's okay. If it tastes bad, I'll pretend it's delicious.
Thank you for the support. So, Laura, what do you think is the most special thing about your country?
For me, it's the people. They are warm, friendly, and always ready to help you. When you visit my country, everyone treats you like family.
Wow, that sounds wonderful. My country is similar in that way. People are polite and always try to make you feel comfortable.
That's nice. I think every country has something special about its people. It's what makes a place feel like home.
Yes, exactly. But let's talk about something fun. Cultural habits or traditions in our countries. Do you have any funny or interesting ones?
Oh, yes. In my country, we love loud family gatherings. When the family gets together, everyone talks at the same time. It sounds like a concert of voices.
That sounds chaotic.
It is chaotic, but in a good way. What about you?
In my country, people love to complain about the weather. Every day, someone says, it's too hot, or it's too cold, or it's too windy.
That's me too.
One time, I met a tourist who said, the weather here changes more than my emotions, and we laughed for 10 minutes.
I love that. But let's talk about places to visit. If someone visits your country, where should they go first?
Oh, that's easy. They should visit the capital city. It's full of museums, parks, and beautiful streets. You can walk everywhere and discover something new every 5 minutes.
Nice. In my country, the best place to visit first is the Old Town. It's full of history, art, and delicious street food. When you walk there, you feel like you traveled back in time.
I want to go there now.
I want to go to your country too.
We should switch countries for a week.
Yes, I'll send you to my family's big, loud gathering and see if you survive.
Oh no, I'll hide under the table.
Don't worry, they'll love you.
Let's talk about climate. What's the weather like in your country?
It's mostly warm. We have a lot of sunny days, which I love, but sometimes it gets very hot, like I'm melting hot.
I know that feeling. My country is more mixed. We have rain, sun, wind, snow, sometimes all in one week.
Your weather sounds like it needs therapy.
Yes, it really does.
So, John, do you miss your country?
I do, especially the quiet mornings and the fresh air, but I also like living in a different place. It teaches you new things. What about you?
I also miss my country. I miss my family, the food, the streets I grew up in. But I'm happy to explore the world, too.
That's the beautiful thing about countries. No matter where we go, our home stays in our hearts.
Oh, John, that's so poetic.
Thank you, thank you. I try.
But really, each person's country is part of their identity. It shapes who we are.
Yes, and talking about our countries helps us understand each other better.
Exactly. And it also helps our viewers learn how to talk about their own countries in English. That's important.
Very important. So guys, if someone asks you about your country, you can talk about the food, the weather, the people, traditions, nature, or famous places.
Yes, and you can also share funny stories or things that make your country unique.
Every country has something special.
Just like every person has something special too.
True.
Well, I think we had a really nice conversation today.
I agree. And we hope you enjoyed it too.
And we hope you learned new English words and phrases that you can use when you talk about your country.
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends.
Your support means the world to us.
Thank you for listening.
See you next time.